Definitely, no. But well, first of all, what happened? No? So we filed a written request, no, asking for the opening of the box, and then yesterday, ang naging resolution ho ng clerk of court is to give the defense until the end of day today to file a written response. So it's still possible, no, that when the impeachment court resolves this matter, sasabihin na let's open it, no. This could be done either before the first hearing on July 6th or even while the trial is already ongoing. Pwede naman ho yan. So it doesn't mean that it was not open today, no, for close na yung possibility. But in our position is it would have been better, no, if it was open during the pre-trial conference, since precisely yan ho yung mga isang reason ba't ginagawa ho yan para ma-identify na at mamarkahan na ang mga ebidensya ng mga magkabilang panig.